Good morning students and Merry Christmas to you all. So dear students, today I am going to tell you that how to make a Christmas tree at your home. So I have taken a half chart paper of green color. Okay, now we have to make a cone of this. Okay, so try to make a cone of this paper. Okay, now our cone is ready. Okay everyone. So what we have to do, I have made a star and now we have to paste it here. Look. Okay. So I am using stapler. Look everyone. And I am having this type of some frill also. So I want to add it here. So it gives a very good look to our Christmas tree. Now look everyone. Now it's ready. Okay. So first we have to add the bottom part. Okay, what we have to do, I am using this type of here. So okay, so I am using this with the help of the stapler. I have attached the cardboard. Okay, this is a thick cardboard, so the tree will easily stand. Okay, on the other side also, like this. Okay, now look everyone, our tree is easily stand. Okay, ready. So you have to take help from a bottle also, so it can easily stand. Okay, now it's time for the decoration. Okay, so I am having this type of ring. Okay, so I started from here on like this. So I am using stapler to staple it. Okay, now look everyone. Now our Christmas tree is ready. Now it's time for decoration. Now students, I am having these type of small bells and thermocol balls. Okay, so first I have to color the thermocols using this sparkles. Okay, I am having two colored sparkles. Okay, now I am going to sparkle this. Okay, so what I have to do, I am using Fevicol glue. Okay, so let's see. Now look students, first I am going to apply Fevicol on this thermocol ball. Okay, after applying this I will put this thermocol ball inside our bowl which is having sparkles. Now look everyone, I am going to show here also. Now look. Okay, I have to rotate it like this. Okay, rotate in every direction so it can easily spread it like this. Okay, or you can do it like this also. Look, now our thermocol ball is ready. Okay, now students, our balls are ready. Okay, I am using this type of a wire. Okay, for hangings. Okay, so first I have to cut the wire in small sizes with the help of a scissor. You can take help from your parents also. Now hang it. Okay, just fold it like this. Okay, now students, we have put the balls on this. Now these all are small bells. Okay, so you can use a thread also, and then we will hang it here on the tree. Okay, look. Okay, like this. Now I am going to show you. Now we have to decorate the bottom part of this tree also. Okay, so it looks beautiful. I am using stapler. Okay, now it's ready. Okay, so I am having these type of two cardboard pieces. What I have to do, इधर से बनाओ ना. Now the sticks are ready and we have to tie it with the help of this golden wire. Okay. So after this, I am going to explain you what to do with this. Okay. I have to put a bow over here. Okay everyone. So let's see. Now it's ready. So we have to tuck it here. Okay. Here Christmas tree is ready.